Yeah man, the Pablo ranks this man, as I show you guys. So the man I get the exclusive. The boss this the man have a joker, you know. Yeah. So the man you know play with the work, you know, as you can see.
See the work, you know?
Yeah man. And them see your face now Pablo, cause yeah.
When you're ready, you know?
Yeah man. Great work you are going with you, so Pablo.
Yes,
Yeah. So how long now you depend on the bus, Pablo?
About last week in a weekend, we take and do it, you know. Patch it out and fill it out and put it out.
So when you say you're going to fire the gun on it? I mean, no, say you... What you say? Tomorrow you're going to spray it? Depends on how the weather.
Yeah, depends on the weather, you see me?
Okay. As you know, say anyhow tomorrow you have to go show me on the digital and make me come show them so you can fire.
You can fire a shot, you know?
Yeah man, I like that man, it's a great look. As I tell you guys, this is a bus, you know, and a Pablo ranks I deal with it, you know. Yeah man. Good body man, you know, anybody want him to do any body work, you know, so you have to link up, you understand?
Yeah man,
I have to go put all him number in the description, guys, yeah?
Ready?
Yeah man, me see it man. Cause them man you know back down from no work. You know. Yeah man. Yeah man. See it guys. Fully loaded in my work. When the man you come at work, you know, that's not joke. You understand? But it look like at the whole of the bus you put you out man. Guys, I have to go give you a walk around at the bus. Let me show you. I know one spot the man I work on, you know. Yeah man. See all the back of the bus. Yeah. All the putty work. See all here so guys, as I show you. All the work the man I go out with man. So when your bucket there so now Pablo?
Soap and water and sandpaper, you know?
Okay. Yes guys, as I tell you, the Pablo ranks, this I do the body work, you know. Understand?
The blue car work.
Yeah.
The body work already and
okay, you say you like the touch. Tell them about that part because we never see that part there.
Roll out and patch out and straighten up, you know?
Yeah.
And fill out.
True.
And we put on the putty now and I rub it down to get the surface down.
Yeah.
We put on the colour, you know?
So you say a factory work you deal with man?
Yeah man, straight.
See it for you man, so you know play with it man.
Everything, you know?
Yeah. I'll show you guys. I have to go give you a spin around make you see my face because you don't know the things set, you know. You're the great Pablo. I have to check him at the garage. You know the things set, you know, because the man big and the man large. You hear that? Yeah, give you a spin around make you see him face now, guys. Exclusive man. The man, you know, play with the work, guys. That's what I tell you. A lot of work, you know. Him I deal with it. Understand? So you feel so you're going to about all of the bus today?
No, just most of the putty.
Oh, just most of the putty. But a right round the bus have putty man. The top not have none though.
Look at them parts.
Okay. Oh. Oh, you draw them putty there? Okay. So you rub it back down to
smooth it.
Oh. Okay. Yes guys, as I show you say, see the man and at work. Man at work, you know. See if I catch all double joint in your finger when you do them work yet.
Yeah. We call it
How long you do them trade work you know, Pablo?
A couple of years now, in about 80 odd years, you know.
Yeah.
Everything welding, body work, and put you out and spray, you know.
True.
It's all around there, you know.
True.
And the work, you know, we can do every little thing for the trade work, you know.
Yeah. Big artist on the board too.
Yeah, man. DJ and we sing, we call ourselves Sing J, you know.
How you say?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Bosses. Yes guys, also me tell you, so me have to make a check out the Pablo. The man in a play when it come down to body work, man. As you can see, a lot of work he might go on with, you know, guys, yeah? When you see the Frankie TV come to give the exclusive, you know the thing set, man. Yeah. Couldn't miss this for the world. Yeah. You know how long me I tell him about it, but we still have to appear because you don't know, say upon the Saturday him get. And him say tomorrow he might fire the spray gun. So you know, say a whole heap of work, a whole heap of things are going on. Big excitement, guys, as let me tell you. Yeah.
Well, now when me have paper out, you know.
Yeah. All the glass them I go paper out and thing. Okay. So inside here, so it look rusty. Where you go put it inside there? Put it too?
Oh, one spray them black.
Okay.
All
Okay.
light, I will go in this.
Okay. So you're not going to rat out quick and you know put something inside there.
I will spray it out.
Oh. So which color you go spray it in? A yellow and the same?
White.
Oh, white. So that bus here, you spray that bus here too?
Yeah, man,
That's what I say, in a yellow? Yeah. How will you say? Pablo spray this bus, you know, guys, that's what I tell you say. Yeah. Entire bus you spray it? Go on good, man. So them feel like saying the work, a whole heap of work you go on with Pablo. Yeah. As I tell you, say, guys, don't know in the description if you need him, you have to go add him number to it, you understand? So you have to check him out, you understand? You need him, you just call him, you understand? Yeah, man, you have to promote him, man. Great work, man, you understand? No joke about it, serious about it, yeah? Alright? No, so we're coming to an end now, so go and tell your friend. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, yeah?